bum, bottom, 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 bum, bum, bottom, 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 bum, bum, bottom. Pretty women are walking with gorillas down my street. Bottom, 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 bum, 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 bum. From my window I'm staring while my coffee grows cold. Bottom, 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 bum, bum, bottom. Look over there, where there is a lady that I used to know. Bottom, 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 bum, bum, bottom. She's married now or engaged or something, so I'm told. I look ridiculous in these glasses. What? No, you look cute. No, they totally don't work on me. I feel like I'm like part of the Secret Service. Yeah, well, I feel like I'm Joe Biden. Yeah, those are totally Joe Biden glasses. Check out his glasses. Are Joe Biden glasses. Let me hear your Joe Biden impersonation. Yeah, well, see here, Jack. No, no fooling, no joke. Basically, my Joe Biden is just old man, confused, and creepy and lying. Yeah, well, then my grandpappy, we called him Pappy, and then he was eaten by the cannibals. Yeah, you're right, that doesn't work. Why do celebrities all wear sunglasses when they're on TV? I don't know why. No, I'm seriously asking you. I actually have a theory about Kiss. Kiss in the last 10, 15 years had so many interviews where the entire band would wear sunglasses during the interview. So much so, there was even one interview where the interviewers put on their sunglasses, kind of mocking the fact that there was four grown men indoors all wearing sunglasses. And some people suggest, well, it's because they don't want people to see how old they are or something. And what I think it is that whole band had doubles. I don't even know if the real Paul Stanley and Gene Simmons are still alive, but that they were replaced, and that these actors who would play them in interviews and stuff they were wearing masks that looked like Paul and Gene, but you'd have to keep the sunglasses on or people could tell it was a mask. Oh, that's crazy. Yeah. Hello, welcome to BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Michael Lyons, and this is Emily Aubrey. BOOZHOO, Gakina Awia. And this is our intro song. Okay, hey, BOOZHOO. Welcome back to the show. Happy Prayer Day. Minawana-gozi. ANAMA'E-GIIZHIGAD. ANAMA'E-GIIZHIGAD. We call today Prayer Day. ANAMA'E-GIIZHIGAD. Prayer. ANAMA'E-GIIZHIGAD. So I think I'll start, before we go any further, I'm going to put out some tobacco. Asema. And I'm going to say a little prayer. BOOZHOO, GIIHIGAD. Hello, Great Spirit. ANAMA'E-GIIZHIGAD. GOFUNDME. Thank you for everything that you do today. ANAMA'E-GIIZHIGAD. Thank you for my life. Teka we dukawishan. Ando minawe nungom. Please help me to speak well today. Miigwech bizandawiyag. Kichimanado. Thank you for listening, Great Spirit. Apeyenge. Amen. Oh wow, it's really pretty out here today. It's a really pretty morning on this prayer day. We've been thinking about how we'd like to do a like a Sunday school program. Talk about Bible stuff and that. Something for the kids. Like I remember when I was just a little guy, back in the days of the grandfathers, every Sunday we'd go to Sunday school and church. And I hated it. I didn't hate learning about Jesus. I didn't hate learning about God. I didn't hate prayer. I believed all of it. As a little guy, I really felt close to God. You know, I'd pray when I was a little guy all the time. But I didn't like Sunday school because it was boring. Sunday school was like the church before the church for the kids. They separate, you go to church and then they separate the kids from their parents and you go into the back room with some old lady and then she would read from the Bible, give you these little cards, beautifully illustrated cards that would have like a Bible verse on it. And then there would be like a little color, you could color in something. There'd be like a little art project or something you could do. That part was okay. But, you know, I didn't get anything out of it. You know, I felt like something I had to do, not that something, you know, it wasn't something for me. And then the grown-up church starts at 11. Oh, wow. I would be so bored. I never knew that kind of boredom. I mean, it was weird. I almost think it was like a spiritual thing. I go to church. Got something in my mouth. I go to church and it was just excruciating. It seemed like, you know, it's only an hour long, but it felt like it was like 5 hours long or something. And so we were talking like, you know, there's got to be a way that we could maybe, you know, do a church for kids. Kids' church, we wanted to call it. I even came up with this. Where is it? See, this is cool. I don't know. In the morning when I rise, in the morning when I rise, in the morning when I rise, give me Jesus, give me Jesus, give me Jesus. You can have this whole world, give me Jesus. And when I am alone, oh, when I am alone, when I am alone, give me Jesus, give me Jesus, give me Jesus. You can have this whole world, give me Jesus. When I come to die, oh, when I come to die, when I come to die, give me Jesus, give me Jesus, give me Jesus. You can have this whole world, give me Jesus, give me Jesus, give me Jesus. You can have this whole world, give me Jesus. Oh, oh, that was beautiful, sweetie. Give me Jesus. Hoka hey. So, yeah. But I don't know, man. You have been watching BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is NANABOOZHOO, and I will see you again. Ki gawabamin, minawa. All right. Boop, boop, boop. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. BOOZHOO. Hey, sweetie. Oh, hi, NANABOOZHOO. What's going on? I'm out here by the river again. Oh, were you saying morning prayer? Yeah. Put on my tobacco. Are you ready to come inside? Yeah, can you pick me up? You got it. Let's see, that's 1 to teleport. Make it so, number 1. Hey, what happened? I forgot to teleport. Should we try that again? Yeah, let me just shut you off because this is pre-taped, so who cares? Yeah. There you have it, NANABOOZHOO, and blah blah blah. So how you guys doing? Nobody's watching, Michael. So much for our big idea. I know. I just don't know what we're supposed to do. We might supposed to not do it at all. Really? Yeah. I don't know how many years I got to keep doing the same thing with no results before I get the message. Nobody wants it. I don't know. Give me Jesus. Give me Jesus. You can have this whole world. Give me Jesus. All right. Well, hey, everybody. Thank you so much for not stopping in during the live stream. I don't know how YouTube works. I don't either. And I will see you again. Giga wabamin. Minawa. Awa.